Okay, tonight we're going to be sniping King of the Hill. I'm going to show you the process of doing this. You can snipe channels. Tonight I'm going to snipe a group, and this group is going to have a topic. So here's the group. It's called GMGN Signals, and we selected the topic Pump.fun King of the Hill. At the very top here, whether it's a channel or a topic, it's going to have the name of the channel or topic. You click on that. It's going to open this window. On the right hand side, you have the username and a channel ID. Okay, so because this is a topic in a group, we're going to enter the group username and the topic ID. Okay, so in your settings, I put this. This is the username for the group and the topic ID, which is at the end of the username, which is right here. Okay. So next I'm going to do is I start the bot. All right, so it's sniping all the King of the Hills. All right, well, before we do this, let's look in the settings. When you're going to be sniping all the King of the Hills, unless you're a millionaire, you're going to want to put a cap on how many tokens you're going to snipe, okay? Or you can just put like a time cap, like let's say an hour or whatever up here. So down here, you're going to select max trades. So if it's false, you want to type in true. I like to do 30. Also do your trade size up here, which should be right here. Okay, that's about less than $1. Okay, so the bot's working. It's sniping away. You can see all the trades here. This is what happens when a trade opens. It tells you exactly what's going on. It also updates the trades in the terminal. All right. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the bottom. I mean, look at this. This is literally within. I started running this like 15 minutes ago, right? So I type in P. Those are all your profitable trades. Which is basically everything, right? So the bot, you can have a trailing stop. You could manually close. Let's say I'm going to close the top one, this one right here. I like 600%, space, sell. So you're going to paste the address and sell. There you go. I just sold it. So I bought, let's see here. Profit 703% right there. There you go. So it says here I made 32 Solana. Okay, that's what it says, and that was within a few seconds, like a few minutes. Like that total trade was like a few minutes, right? So you want to see your total trades open. Those are your current open trades. These are the trades in profit. These also include the trades that are closed already. So if the bot did a trailing stop, it hit the trailing stop, it's going to also include those in this list here. Okay? So that's how it works. Within a few minutes on King of the Hill, we made, according to this, 32 Solana using the Beaver Bot.